It's the black boy. Come on. Hey there. Hi. Oh, he's wagging his tail. He's energetic. Oh, the yellow goat made it back up here. Golly. That's the black boy. He hasn't been in the kitchen in a while. Here's the purple boy. Trying to say hello. Oh, well, he thought, what? I think he's trying to steal a toy. That's the girl that keeps following me. And that's the purple boy. Nah. Nah.